people, so welcome back again to my channel. So in case you're just coming across me for the first time, this is HBM Organic Beauty. On this channel I make videos on skincare, on herbs and lifestyle. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share my video, and do not forget to turn on the notification bell below. So today I am making a body butter, and the base of this body butter will be shea butter, and I am also incorporating some ingredients to this shea butter to actually make a shea butter that will brighten the skin, that will glow your skin, that will give you a clear skin, a clear complexion, that will make you look sweet, sustained, that will make your skin, make you look younger. A body butter that will moisturize the skin. So if you know that you have dry skin, normal skin, oily skin, any kind of skin complexion or any type of skin can use this body butter. Okay, trust me, this body butter smells nice, this body butter works very well. Just make sure that you're always exfoliating your skin 3 times in a week. Please, if you're applying any skincare products, you have to exfoliate the skin 3 times in a week. And yes, do not forget, our skincare training is always ongoing. So if you want to enroll for our skincare training, please send a WhatsApp message to the number you're seeing up there on the screen. Yes, you want to learn how to make skincare product professionally, and also if you want to learn how to make body enhancement products, like you want to make your weight gain product, your butt and hips enlargement product, your weight loss product, your flat belly product, your flat belly oil, your butt and hips enlargement oil. I also teach or coach you on how to make this product. So just send a WhatsApp message to the number you're seeing up there on the screen so that you will learn from the best. So guys, we're also having physical skincare training coming up, one-on-one physical skincare training coming up. So always watch out for my post on YouTube channel, because I will be releasing the course date when the course will commence. I'll be releasing the course date with course outline this week. Yeah, this week. So you guys should just turn on your notification bell so that when I post either in my community or post a video, you will be notified. So thank you so much. Enjoy this video, and please do not forget to like and share the video and give this video a thumbs up.